Welcome back to my channel. Today we are stepping into the heart of Tehran's old shoemaking district, where raw leather transforms into timeless craftsmanship. Follow me inside the traditional workshop to see how a simple piece of leather becomes a masterpiece stitch by stitch. It all begins with a vision. The designer draws every curve, every seam, mapping out the shoe's blueprint with precision. First, the design is transferred onto the leather, every fold, stitch, and perforation marking a detail. Then the pattern is carefully cut into the separate pieces, each one destined for a specific part of the shoe. Now the pieces come to line. Scaled hand, stick, and sew them together, folding edges for a clean finish. You can see all part of the upper of shoes is being ready. The upper is pulled tightly over the last, giving the shoe its shape. The insole is glued, the heel locked in place, and finally the outsole is attached. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. They were still using some traditional old equipment and tools. Now the magic is being prepared to happen. The shoe is burnished by hand, polished to a mirror shine, and inspected from every angle, ensuring perfection. Laced, polished, and boxed, it's ready to tell its story. From sketch to a finished work of art, this is the legacy of Tehran's shoemakers, where tradition meets timeless style. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and let us know what craft you'd like to explore next.